Good afternoon. Today I am going to fix some turkey hot dogs in my George Foreman grill. 4th of July, need some hot dogs and don't really want to go outdoors and light up the grill. So we're going to do it the easy way today. All you need is a George Foreman grill. You need to put the tray under here to catch anything that comes out. And that just clips into the back. And there's your grill with your little tray. Now I am going to set this on a pad just in case it gets hot. It will have a catch-all for the heat. This is so easy. Alright, I have plugged it up. It is now heated. So we're going to put our hot dogs on here. And like I say, these are turkey hot dogs. Does seem like lately everything I cook has been like a quick video. Now I put 2 that I have split open and 1 that I haven't, that is just on there. So we're just going to close this down for just a few minutes. I have some hot dog buns to put them in. I've also got some coleslaw. This is homemade coleslaw. Some I made yesterday. It's just cabbage and mayonnaise. And I also have a few onions that I cut up. Let's take a peek at them. It will not take them long to cook. See how good they're already browning right on? And you can't have hot dogs unless you're going to have mustard. And when I finish cooking my hot dogs, I'm going to go ahead and cook 2 rolls of these things, babies again. Not going to take much. You could probably put about 6 on here, I would think. And especially if you didn't cut them open like I did these 2, you could probably put more. Keep you from going outdoors to your outside grill. And while they're cooking, all I'm going to do is I'm going to spread just a little bit of butter inside my roll. I probably won't eat but 1 of these at a time, but then have the other one for later on. I'm one of these people that sort of likes a little burnt hot dog. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. And like I say, this is real quick. And when you're cooking for 1, or you can cook for more, you sort of do everything you can just as quick and easy. Let's see what we got now. Oh man, they're toasted now, looks like. That one looks good and done. Oh yes. So we're going to take up our hot dogs. Now I like this one right here just to be just a little bit browner, so we're just going to give that a minute by itself. Alright, let's just check this baby out. Oh yes, see how pretty and brown it's got on both sides? And what I'm going to do is I have put just a little bit of butter on my bun. I'm going to lay it right down here and let this toast just a moment. Get hot. Then I'm going to put some mustard. And I've got coleslaw and some onions. Now a lot of people like the chili and the cheese. I'm not really fond of that much, but today we're just going to have coleslaw and onions. Okay, let's check out our rolls. I'm going to let them brown just a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's just about right. I'm just going to put some mustard on our roll. One of our lovely hot dogs. A little coleslaw. And this is Southern hot dog. North Carolina. Just the way we've always ate them. But like I say, a lot of people like the chili and the cheese on it. You know what, I might as well go ahead and fix the other one before I sit down. You can put ketchup on them. Now we have 2 hot dogs ready for our dinner. And again, this is so simple without having a lot to do about it. So it's just 2 hot dogs. I toasted the bun, cooked the hot dogs on the George Foreman. Now this is the one that I did not split open. And I've got homemade coleslaw, some onions, and some good old mustard. I did take butter and spread over my buns before I put them on my grill. And these are Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Hope you enjoyed this little video. And enjoy your 4th of July. Give me your comments. And come back to see me. And these are turkey dogs